babies, welcome back to Pretty Ree's channel. Today we are doing a seductive green look today. If you wish to get this look, stay tuned.
My babe, so we're packing on this yellow and we're just blending it out just to get it started for the transition. Here I'm going back in to pack on the green color so we can make sure it's bold. After we perfect the green, we're going to go back to the transition color, the yellow, so we make sure that they see the gradient of our eyeshadow. Jamming out to Missy Elliott. I'm going back with the second brush that is green just to really get that transition. Alrighty, so I packed on more blue just to perfect it and really get that bold statement. And now we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease. This method only applies for the hooded eye girlies, so if you want to get a perfect cut crease, just go ahead and put concealer on the middle of your eye and tilt your head forward, and it'll let you know where your crease should be made. We're going in with the blue shade just to define the cut crease, and then we're going to go ahead and buff that harsh line out so it keeps the gradient effect. babes, and here we're just pressing in that powder and also doing the swiping motion because we don't want to look ashy.
Alright, my loves, this is the final look. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Thank you.